All right, cleaned it up pretty well. I didn't put any kind of preservative or silicone on anything, but we got to take a bunch of stuff off this later on, and I want to take it for a ride tomorrow, and it's going to get dirty. So I think I was the first person to take the gas tank off. It felt like they were stock, and there wasn't any marks on any of the bolts, so I think I was the first person who ever took the gas tank off. I pulled the skid plate off, cleaned all that, cleaned all this stuff out. You know, the top of the motor, traced a bunch of wiring. Your horn doesn't work for some reason. It might actually be the horn. I don't know. Then there's this. I have no idea where that goes. I looked and looked. It looks like a drain hose because it's clear. If it was a vacuum hose, it would be black. So I suppose when something drains on the engine, we'll know what it is. But maybe we can get them to look at that when they look at the Recluse. It's a rock. Like I said, there's this weird spooge on everything. I'll fix all that when you change your sprockets. I cleaned up a bunch of it, but he just used a shitty grease on his chain. I don't know what it is. Anyway, tires, wheels look good. They look straight. There's this. I don't know how that happened, and I'm sorry I didn't notice that. I would have asked him what it is. But that's pretty big impact. I mean, I didn't notice anything like it's driving funny or anything. I never did ask what that is, but I can fix that up too. But it might be worth buying a new axle just to have a nice square bolt on the end. It doesn't look like it's any less serviceable though. Here, I'm going to turn it around so you can see the other side of the sun. It's a little dirty. I'll fix all that up. I just got most of the grime off it to make sure nothing was busted and everything looks normal. That thing's a little busted. There's a spring-loaded clip that goes there. That should be better than that. It's got these flex guards. That's a piece of wire right there. I don't know if you've ever seen these. Reflex. Those aren't the best guards, but I don't think they're original to the bike, because that one's like super filthy and I don't know what's on it, but my guess is he was probably parked outside at one point for a while, because some of the plastic is faded, but that could have just come from desert riding too. It's hot out there and there is no shade. But Beta. Super Sprox. Can't see it. It looks like it ends in 49T. I don't know if you could see it, but the sun's pretty shitty. FMF Q Stealth pipe, not original, I don't think. So the guy crashed it here and there, but definitely rides straight.